Okay, so we have our design colored in the Scan and Cut software. I am going to group my like colors and pull them to different sections of my cutting mat. So that I can get all the colors in on one mat, which we're going to switch it to our 12 by 24 mat. So we've got our white, our green, and our black. I'm going to mirror image all of my sections. And I'm going to send it wirelessly to my Scan and Cut via the export transfer via the internet. I have my cutting mat, I have my green, my white, and my black vinyl, and I'm going to cut them into pieces for the design. Okay, so I have cut out my 3 pieces of vinyl, and I'm going to attach them to the mat, and then I'm going to come to my Scan and Cut, and I have sent my design over wirelessly. So I will push the retrieve data button in the computer with the Wi-Fi symbol, and there is my design on the screen, ready for me to set it to cut it. Okay, I have my mat and my vinyl loaded. And now I'm going to do a scan. To do the scan, I'm going to push the scan button and start, and it's going to scan in my different vinyl on the mat. Sorry, our mat is no longer sticky, so we are using some glossy paper tape to tape our vinyl down, so we do not have to replace our mat just yet. And I am just double checking to make sure that my files fit into my sections. And they do. So I'm going to push OK. I'm going to select. I'm going to select cut. And I'm going to tell it to cut. All right. I'm going to eject my mat. I'm going to bring it back over to my table. And I'm going to weed out the different areas of the designs. And I'll be back. All right, so I'm going just to weed my vinyl. Just get to a corner and pull up. And pull around, leaving just what I need for that color each time. So I have all 3 of my pieces that we have weeded out, and I'm going to take them over to my heat press, and we will press away. Okay, so I have my heat press set at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. And I have what I'm just going to demo press this on for you all right here, just a piece of stabilizer. I'm going to take my black, which is my bottom layer. I'm going to place it where I want it to be placed. Cover it with my Teflon sheet. And I'm going to press it. I'm going to let my heat press count it down. Remove my Teflon sheet and my carrier sheet. I'm going to take my next layer and place it down. Cover it with my Teflon sheet. And do the same step for the final step. There we go. Cover it with the Teflon for the final press. 15 seconds. Remove the Teflon. And there we have it. You're ready to press it onto your blankets for the football game.